Hello and welcome to my Strategy for Small and Mid-Sized Businesses video series. In this video we're going to be looking at the PESTLE Analysis Tool, also called Steeple, PEST or Step Analysis, but they all mean exactly the same thing. This is a great tool if you want to undertake an analysis of the macro trends likely to affect your business and understand whether these trends might give rise to threats or opportunities for your business. So let's take a closer look at the PESTLE analysis. PESTLE Analysis, like many of the good strategy tools, has stood the test of time and has been used across all sectors and sizes of business the world over. It was originally developed by Professor Francis Anguilla from Harvard Business School and was first published in his book Scanning the Business Environment back in 1964. In fact, when I use this tool, I incorporate it into a horizon scanning workshop, going right back to the original concept when the tool was first created. This provides higher quality insights and allows more concrete conclusions to be drawn, rather than using the tool as a checkbox exercise, which delivers little value, and unfortunately this is often the case. PESTLE analysis is used to assess external macro trends which might impact your business. More often than not, you won't have any control or influence over these trends, but you can develop a strategy that protects you from the risks and helps you capitalize on some of the best opportunities. Originally, it started life as the ETPS framework, but it's been enhanced over time and is now called a variety of different names. PESTLE analysis has become one of the best known strategy tools in many leaders' toolkits, but the trick is knowing how to draw meaningful conclusions from the analysis and how to feed those into your strategy development process. So let's take a closer look at the tool. Its name comes from the categories of analysis. For each category, we look at likely trends or changes over the time frame of our strategy planning horizon and assess whether these trends will give rise to emerging threats or create potential new opportunities for the business. The first category is political, so changes in things like tax policy, trade policy, government spending, healthcare and education would be analysed. Next up we have economic. Typically we would look at things like exchange rates, GDP growth, interest rates and consumer spending power. Next we have social, so things like demographic changes, shifts in public opinion and consumer tastes and fashions. Then we move on to technological, where we explore things like trends in automation, big data, digitalization and Industry 4.0, and relevant product and process technologies. Next up we have legal, where we would typically look at things like employment law, IP protection, health and safety, and environmental legislation. And finally, we look at environmental factors like sustainability, carbon footprint, waste management, recycling, and climate. If used correctly, it can be a really thorough and useful tool to help you identify threats and opportunities as key inputs to your strategy development process. So there you have it, a brief overview of PESTLE analysis. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to know more about competitive business strategy for small and mid-sized businesses, you can go to my website and click on the Resources tab, or go to my Owen & Partners YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you need any further information or practical support implementing and benefiting from competitive business strategy, then contact us via the website or drop us an email.